a 1965 Pontiac Catalina convertible, 2+2 in unique, especially in classics. Starlight black, original color of this car. I believe it's an N paint code. Red vinyl interior. It was powered by a 421, as you can see by the badging here. Now it has a 389 underneath the hood. And that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. Check out the stacked headlights up front, chrome grille, headlight surrounds. Beautiful front end on these cars. Now, something I want to mention. Remember, this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside of this car was a frame-off restoration. Be able to see the engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. We're going to check out all the still pictures. Look at how straight these panels are. And of course, with that black paint, if there was poor workmanship, bodywork, you're going to see it underneath there. But look at how nice and straight those long panels are. And you can also see the condition of that paint. Almost looks like it's wet. Of course, bucket seats, shifter on the floor, center console, black vinyl top. We'll run that up at the end of the video so you can check that out. I'm going to start the car up so you can hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And once again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. In the still pictures, you're going to see PHS docs. I'll take pictures of the PHS docs so you can see those. There's also a binder or folder of receipts and some miscellaneous things that will go along with this too. Try to get those in the still pictures for you. As we take a look up and down the driver's side, take a look at that reflection showroom in the background, and again how straight these long black panels are. Wow. Another thing to mention, of course, 8-lug wheels. How cool is that? Red line tires. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. First, we'll take a quick peek at the door panels. As you can see, those look good. Do have some wear right there in the side of that seat. Seat belt's still intact. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Tachometer. And it is working. Take a look at the dash, pretty stock looking dash. I have had the wipers work, I've not had the radio power up. Top of the dash. Now, we do have an XM antenna here, it looks like. Let's check out the glove box. See if there happened to be a radio in here. And there we go. So there's a little XM setup and a remote. So aftermarket stereo system to it. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Nice deep exhaust note. Again, 389 tri-power underneath the hood. Was originally a 421 car. Let me slip up to the front here. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll put the top up, check that out, and wrap up this video. Here's a look underneath the hood. There it is, nice, clean, tidy engine bay. A little bit of chrome dress up with the air cleaner covers and valve covers. Again, power steering, power brakes. First tri-power. Smooth running 389. Looks good, sounds good. All right, And let's pause this one more time. Let me get the top up, check out the condition of that. We'll wrap this video up. And here's the top up. So black vinyl. It is a power top, by the way. Functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. It's what you'd expect on this car. It looks like it's about new. Also rolled up the side glass. You can see that fits nicely. Driver's side, free of rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window. Slip around to the passenger side here. Again, do not notice any sort of really wear at all on this, let alone any rips, tears, or holes. Good shape. Needed to keep you out of the sun or maybe out of a quick little garden variety shower. It's going to do its job. Nice drop top for summer. 1965 Pontiac Catalina 2+2. Good looking convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Pontiac Catalina 2+2. This is a convertible. We have 4-speed on the floor. Aftermarket tachometer on the dash. Our speedometer is inoperable, which means the odometer is not turning. Our battery gauge is reading straight up and down, and the fuel gauge is reading full. This is a very easy to start, easy running Pontiac. Feels very good on the highway. It's a smooth ride. Love the steering wheel with the see-through styling they had back at the time. Red interior. If I let go of the wheel, it stays straight. Try that one more time. Yeah, stays right where you put it. Not getting any shakes or vibrations. Horn works. This would be a pretty rare setup with the 4-speed on the floor. Hardly any wind noise from this convertible top. Corners as you would expect. Definitely get good power from this engine. The wipers are functioning. Very comfortable. Vinyl seat interior. What would be buckets for the center console. Go to our website, UniqueClassicCars.com.